been teaching here for 9 years, and I was actually a student here back in the day, probably 30 years ago. So in our program, we do a little bit of lecture, a little bit of book work, and a lot of hands-on in the shop. So basically, we try to mold them from not knowing anything until they go through our program and get the skills necessary to become successful.
We'll usually start in the classroom with a little bit of a briefing for the day, if there's any theory to teach as far as technique, and then we'll head out in the shop, bring the tools out, and start working. The curriculum is very engaging and it's a lot of fun to come to school, but it's definitely my classmates and my instructors that really make me excited to come here every day.
I think what I like best about the program is the fact that we do get a lot of practice time in our booth. The instructors are all very helpful. If you have any questions, they're very informative.
We do offer 2 pathways. One is a Certificate of Achievement. That's 26 credits. That's just the basic, bare bones first year classes. For the Applied Associate's degree in science, that is 2 years, and that includes advanced welding, and that's about 64 credits.
I really love the amount of support services that are on campus, and I do make use of several of them. In particular, financial aid, the incredible counselors in the counseling office.
Initially coming into the program, being a woman, I wasn't sure what to think, because I know it's very heavily dominated with men in this field. But when I came in, everybody was very open, very supportive.
Careers in the welding field vary. It's a wide range. We've got students that go to Pearl Harbor. We have students that get hired by small shops. We have students that go to bigger shops that are nationwide. Some don't really get into welding. They get more into welding engineering, designing. Some join the unions.
So I think the program is getting me job ready. We are already practicing for our certifications of our test plates. So having an understanding of that will help in any career I go to, so that I already know how to work the equipment in any shop that I get assigned to.
I do feel like the welding program is going to help me find a job, because we get to have some of these companies and some of these organizations come and present to the students. So not only can I find things on my own, but I've actually learned about several companies that I didn't even know existed because they came here.
Hey, I'm Jeff Schultz. If you are interested in our program, got any questions, please check out our website or come on down to the school and we'll show you around, and it might be a good fit for you.